Plant FAQs, Fargesia robusta. As someone who spent quite a bit of time with Fargesia robusta, I've gathered a lot of information on this bamboo species. If you're considering adding this bamboo to your garden or just curious, here are some answers to frequently asked questions about Fargesia robusta. What is Fargesia robusta? Fargesia robusta is a clumping bamboo that is native to the high altitudes of China. Unlike some bamboos that spread aggressively, Fargesia robusta grows in a tight, non-invasive clump. This makes it an excellent choice for smaller gardens or areas where you want to control its spread. How fast does Fargesia robusta grow? One of the standout features of Fargesia robusta is its growth rate. It's considered a medium-growing bamboo. In ideal conditions, it can grow between 12 to 24 inches per year. This steady growth makes it a manageable plant for most garden sizes, providing a lush, green backdrop without overwhelming your space. How tall does Fargesia robusta grow? Fargesia robusta typically reaches a height of about 6 to 12 feet. This makes it a great option if you're looking for a bamboo that adds vertical interest to your garden without becoming too imposing. The height can vary depending on factors like soil quality, water, and sunlight. How to plant Fargesia robusta. Planting Fargesia robusta is straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide based on my experience. Choose the right location. Fargesia robusta thrives in partial to full shade. It can tolerate some direct sunlight, but too much can scorch its leaves. Prepare the soil. The soil should be well-draining and rich in organic matter. Adding compost can help improve soil fertility. Planting. Dig a hole that is twice the width of the root ball and the same depth. Place the bamboo in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Backfill with soil and water thoroughly. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Is Fargesia robusta deer-resistant? Yes, Fargesia robusta is considered deer-resistant. Deer generally avoid bamboo due to its tough, fibrous leaves. This makes it a great choice if you have a problem with deer in your area. Is Fargesia robusta evergreen? Yes, Fargesia robusta is an evergreen plant. It retains its foliage throughout the year, providing consistent greenery in your garden even during the winter months. This characteristic adds year-round interest to your landscape. Where to buy Fargesia robusta? You can find Fargesia robusta at specialized garden centers, particularly those that focus on bamboo or exotic plants. Online nurseries and garden supply websites also offer this bamboo. When buying online, make sure to choose a reputable seller to ensure you receive a healthy plant. Fargesia robusta versus rufa. Comparing Fargesia robusta with Fargesia rufa can help you decide which is best for your garden. Fargesia rufa is smaller, typically growing to about 4 to 6 feet in height, making it a good choice for more compact spaces. It also has a more delicate appearance compared to the robust and more upright Fargesia robusta. Both are clumping bamboos, but if you need a taller plant with a sturdier presence, Fargesia robusta is the better choice. How to care for Fargesia robusta. Caring for Fargesia robusta involves a few simple steps. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during dry periods. Avoid letting the soil dry out completely. Fertilizing. Feed the bamboo with a balanced fertilizer in the spring to encourage healthy growth. Pruning. Remove any dead or damaged canes to maintain the plant's health and appearance. This also helps to prevent disease. How to propagate Fargesia robusta. Fargesia robusta is typically propagated through division. This method involves separating the clumps and replanting them. Best done in early spring or late summer. Propagation by division helps to rejuvenate the plant and expand your bamboo collection. What to plant with Fargesia robusta. Fargesia robusta pairs well with other shade-loving plants such as hostas, astilbes, and ferns. These companions complement its lush, green foliage and create a diverse, textured garden. Can you grow Fargesia robusta indoors? While Fargesia robusta is primarily an outdoor plant, it can be grown indoors if provided with the right conditions. Ensure it receives adequate light, preferably from a south-facing window, and maintain consistent humidity levels. Is Fargesia robusta toxic? No, Fargesia robusta is not toxic to pets or humans. It is safe to have around children and animals, making it a family-friendly choice for garden landscapes. Benefits of Fargesia robusta. Fargesia robusta offers several benefits. Non-invasive growth. Its clumping nature prevents it from spreading uncontrollably. Evergreen foliage provides year-round greenery. Deer resistance, less likely to be eaten by wildlife. Common problems with Fargesia robusta. Some common issues with Fargesia robusta include yellowing leaves, often a sign of overwatering or poor soil drainage. Pests. While generally pest-resistant, watch for aphids or spider mites. Compare with other bamboo varieties. Fargesia robusta differs from other bamboo species, such as Philosticas or Sasa, in its growth habit. Unlike spreading bamboos, it forms a dense clump, making it more manageable and suitable for smaller gardens. By understanding these aspects of Fargesia robusta, you can make an informed decision about adding this bamboo to your garden. Its versatility, combined with its attractive appearance and manageable growth, makes it a great choice for many landscapes.